To transfer money from one account to another, start by opening the Elevate Pay app and logging into your account. Once you're logged in, click on the Account Details button, which will take you to a screen displaying your account number, routing number, account type, and other details. Note down these details in a safe place, as you'll need them for the next step. Next, open the Pay app and click on the wallet icon at the bottom of the screen. From there, you'll need to add a bank account to your Pay app in order to transfer money to it. To do this, click on the Add Banks and Cards option. Then select the Banks option. Choose your bank from the list and enter the details you obtained from the Elevate Pay app. This will link your bank account to your Pay app. After that, open the PayPal app and go to the Wallet section. Click on the balance displayed on the screen, which will redirect you to a page showing your available balance. To transfer this balance to your Elevate Pay account, click on the Transfer button. You'll be given two options: Transfer Money and Get Gas. Select the Transfer Money option. You'll then be asked to choose your transfer speed. If you want to receive your money quickly, you can choose the first option, but be aware that this will incur a 25-cent transfer fee. Alternatively, you can choose the second option, which is free but may take 1 to 3 business days. The most important thing is to select the correct account that you linked earlier. If it's not automatically selected, you can click on the Change button and choose the account manually. Once you've done this, click on the Transfer button at the bottom of the screen, and your money will be transferred from PayPal to Elevate Pay.